I recently uploaded this video, which is about 5 of the best monetizable niches that you can find on YouTube or TikTok. A lot of you guys asked me to create a full video about each niche and how to start a channel in that specific niche from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel in this Cosmic Facts niche. So, this is going to be an all-in-one full course about Cosmic Fact niche. I will walk you through every step from A to Z. For this video creation process, I'm going to use a secret AI tool, so this process is going to be super easy. And without talking more, let's start the process. First, let's start with the branding part. This is where you need to find a cool name for your channel. The easiest way to do that is use ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 unique name ideas for this channel. When selecting your name, you have to be careful because it should be something that is related to your niche and easy to remember. And don't select a name with several words. It's always better to have a one-word simple name. As you can see here, all of these names are really good. And I think this name, which is called Astronova, is really cool, and it's easy to remember as well. Let's go with that name. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to create a channel description using this name. Make sure to create a small description. It doesn't have to be long. Now, we have the channel description and name. Let's go to the next step of this course, which is creating the logo and banner. Now, this process is going to be super easy. I'm going to use ChatGPT and Leonardo AI for this part. I will show you a trick to create a prompt for anything. After this trick, you don't have to worry about creating detailed prompts for anything. This trick is really simple. All you need to do is add this statement, which is, act as a prompt engineer, review the following prompt for me, and optimize it to make it better. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask before proceeding. Then just add what type of a logo you need. When you do this, ChatGPT will optimize this sample prompt and create 100 times better version of it. As you can see here, ChatGPT has asked several questions from us. I'm going to provide answers for these, and let's see the final prompt. Now, you can copy this prompt and go to Leonardo AI. Just copy your prompt to here and make sure to select 1:1 as the ratio for this logo. And I'm going to generate 4 images for this. And let's see. I don't think this is good. Let's select another preset form here. I'm going to go with this Leonardo Phoenix model. And let's try again. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly as I expected. I really like these 2 logos. I think I will go with this one. Once you create an optimized prompt like this, you can create a 100% accurate image like this logo. Now let's make a prompt to generate the banner image as well. For this image, I'm not going to add any text or slogans. The process is the same as before. You need to copy this prompt to Leonardo AI, and this time make sure to select this 16:9 ratio as the image size. I think all of these 4 images are good for this channel. And guys, just like this, you can create a logo and a banner for your channel within a few minutes. Now, let's go to the video creation process. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to use a secret AI tool for this process. This AI tool is called Vid AI. Now, before going into this tool, let me show you how to find trending video ideas for this niche. First, go to your browser and select incognito mode and go to YouTube. Now, if you use this mode, YouTube will not have data about your interests. Now we can do our video research without any bias. First, you need to search for space documentary, and now you will be able to see all the top channels in this niche. Let's open these channels in new windows. This is a new channel in this niche. As you can see here, it's doing pretty good. Now you need to go to this videos and select this popular option. Now you will be able to see all the popular videos about this niche. Now, I want you to copy the title of this popular video to an Excel document like this, and make sure to copy the link to that video as well. So, do this process to all the other channels, and make a list of popular video topics related to this niche. Now let's go to Vid AI and create a short video for this niche. First, you need to select this new project option, and as you can see here, there are several templates are available. We have a lot of upcoming templates as well, and these will be released really soon. I'm going to select this Faceless Stories template. Now, let's copy one of the popular video titles to this, and if you have your own video script, you can use it here. Since we don't have a video script, I'm going to ask this tool to write a script as well. Then, select the duration time for this video. After that, you need to select a suitable AI voice for this video. After that, let's select a suitable image style for this video. I think a cinematic style would be good for this niche. Then, click this Generate Content button. Then you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have our video script and relevant images to represent that part. Here, you can edit the script if you want. And most importantly, if there are any image generations that you don't like, you can regenerate those images. I want to change this image. So let's regenerate it and get a new one. So just like this, you can edit these images. And when you are done with that, click this next button and you will come to this page. You can select good background music from the sound list. Make sure to select music that fits this niche. Then I'm going to edit the subtitle style. I'm going to go with multiple words instead of just one word. Then you can edit the font and color of the font as well. These are completely up to you. I'm just going to keep the font color white and the border color black, and I'm going to change the highlight color to purple. Then I'm going to select this zoom video effect, and let's generate the final video. Let's see the final output.
Welcome to the universe's most mysterious planets, where secrets await beyond the stars. First, we explore HD 189733b, a planet where it rains glass sideways at 5,400 miles per hour. Next is Mars, once thought to harbor life, now a cold desert with ancient riverbeds whispering tales of the past. Meet Enceladus, a moon of Saturn where subsurface oceans may host alien life beneath its icy crust. Then there's 55 Cancri E, a diamond planet where extreme pressure could create a world of gems. Discover Jupiter, the gas giant with a great red spot, a storm larger than Earth raging for centuries. Venus, shrouded in clouds, is a hellish world with crushing pressure and temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Kepler 186f, the first Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone, could be a paradise waiting to be explored.
Just like this, you can create any amount of short videos for this niche using this AI tool. And if you want to grow fast, you need to upload at least 1 short video per day and 3 long videos per week. Since we are going to use VidAI for the short video creation process, we don't have to worry about creating shorts because with VidAI it's super easy. This tool was created by Matt. You guessed right, the owner of the Make Money Matt YouTube channel. The guy who became a millionaire and achieved financial freedom with YouTube automation. And guys, for Black Friday, there is a limited time offer. For only $10 for the first month, you can try out VidAI. After the first month, the subscription renews at $67 per month, which is still a 30% discount on the regular price. Now, let me show you how to create long videos for this niche. First, let's go to ChatGPT and generate a video script for one of these trending video topics. For that, you can use this prompt. Just change the topic of the video, and you can generate unique scripts for long videos. Now, that our script has been generated, make sure to copy this script to a Word document. Now, I'm going to use 11 Labs to generate voiceovers for this script. So, make sure to select a good voice for this video, and then create voiceovers for the whole script. You can choose either a male or a female voice. It doesn't matter. After you create the voiceover, it's time to find suitable video clips and AI images. For the stock videos, we can use free websites like Pexels and Vecteezy. This video is about black holes and the science behind it. So, you need to download several videos related to black holes and space. So, read the whole script carefully and download suitable stock videos to match it from these websites. And if there are any specific scenes that you can't find suitable video, you can use AI-generated images. Just like we did before, you can use Leonardo AI to generate these images. I already told you how to create detailed and accurate prompts using ChatGPT. In this case, I'm going to make an image related to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. This is the prompt I'm going to use, so let's create an image using this prompt. Perfect. These are really good. Just like this, you can generate suitable AI images for your script. And with that, let's move on to the editing process. I'm going to be using CapCut for this editing process. This is a documentary-style video, so this process is going to be easy. First, start a new project and make sure to select a 16:9 ratio. Then, you need to import all the materials we downloaded to here. First, add the voiceover parts to the timeline. And if there are long pauses, make sure to remove those as well. Then, you need to add the stock videos and AI images to match the script of this video. I completed that part. Now we need to add some transitions between these clips. So go to Transitions from the top menu and add suitable transitions for these clips. Then let's add some cool subtitles for this. Go to this text from the top of this menu and select Auto Caption. Then you can generate all the captions for this video automatically. Now, let's edit these subtitles to make them stand out more. First, I'm going to make it all capitalized, and let's increase the font size as well. Now, let's select a suitable font for this. I think this one would be good. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see some text effects. I'm going to go with this text effect. Finally, Go to this animation and select this caption feature, then you can select a suitable caption animation for these subtitles. Lastly, add a background music to this video, and with that, the video creation process is done, and let's see the result.
Black holes, the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. But for all the knowledge we've gained about these cosmic enigmas, there's a lot that science still can't explain. Today, we'll unravel the unsolved mysteries of black holes and explore the questions that continue to baffle even the brightest minds in physics. It all began with Einstein's general theory of relativity, which predicted the existence of black holes long before we could prove they were real. Fast forward to 1971, when astronomers identified Cygnus X1, the first confirmed black hole. Since then, we've discovered countless black holes across the cosmos.
This is good. Now let's create a thumbnail for this video. This process is also simple. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to create a stunning image for this, and then I'm going to edit it using Photoshop. Since this video is about black holes, I'm going to use this prompt to generate a stunning image. Make sure to select a 16:9 ratio as the size of this image. We have 4 images for our thumbnail. I'm going to use this one. Let's go to Photoshop and add some text to this image. Open Photoshop and make sure to create a custom page with 1920 pixel width and 1080 pixel height. Then drag and drop the image that we just downloaded to here. You can press Ctrl+T and adjust the size of this image. Now right-click this small icon and select this hue saturation feature. Now, using this option, you can edit the overall colors of this image. I'm going to go with this purplish color tone. Now, add a text layer by clicking this T icon. Now, I'm going to rename it like this and place it around here. Then, I'm going to add another text layer and rename it like this. Let's place it here. Now, double-click on this text layer, and then you will get this effects box. I'm going to add this drop shadow effect to this. It will add this background shadow effect like this. Then, I will add this outer glow effect as well. If you want, you can add a stroke around these letters like this. Then, do the same thing for this next text layer as well. And guys, with that, the thumbnail creation process is done. You can click this file and export this thumbnail. So, just like this, you can create a completely monetizable channel in this niche. I hope this video was valuable for you. I will see you guys in the next video.